Hey y'all, it's Desi, and it's the birthday week, and I'm out here. It's cold as hell, y'all. Kind of unmotivated today.
Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
Why you upset like Cinderella teens? You should see the things I finish inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad. What the fuck you want? So be rolling gas, I can't hang.
I just wanted to stop and give y'all a quick video. I know I've been kind of behind on my videos. I got to work this weekend. I'm off this weekend. I got to work tonight. So I'm going to get some videos out, see what we can do. But honestly, everybody's going through something right now. It's been a hell of a week. And if you're going through something too, like, I swear to God, these people can't drive. If you're going through something too, it's just, just hold on. It's going to get better. It always gets better. You just got to pray. You got to keep moving forward. And that's that. Don't let that shit get you down. Don't let that sweat you. Because once it's all done, you're going to be like, what was I doing all this crying for? It all worked out. So make sure you keep that love alive today. Keep everything good. And I'll holler at you guys this weekend. So tonight we decided to do a paint party for the girls just to get them going at the beginning, just because of spring break. So we went to the store and we got some little snacks and a couple of things they can snack on while they're doing the paint. They had everything up in here, cupcakes, cake. I was trying not to buy everything, y'all. The salads were good. Brooklyn, of course, all she eats is pizza and chicken nuggets and sandwiches, so she had to get her some pizza. You know how she do. The little guy that was checking us out, he was so cool. He was talking about how he liked to be at the movies all the time. I saw Creed 3. It was everything. You got to go see that. He saw Ant-Man. I ain't seen that yet, but that's on the list, so if it was good, let me know. What are they? Lemons? Go ahead, Brooklyn. Go walk with her.
That wasn't so hard, Brooklyn.
Look, watch how he plays, though. He sings, too. Pretty, huh? What you got, boo?
I got candy store.
Oh, okay.
And you the key right now. It's a kingdom, let's play it how you like. Doesn't make you feel, or you wanna change, I'll be whatever, what you like. We can
light strokes, okay? Ah.
Let you go, baby, it's the right we already know. And we feel it. I really do, I said the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now. Let's change the clothes we have a drive. You know how you make me feel alive. Come close to me, I'm obsessed with you.
What's she eating?
Doritos.
You're done?
Uh-huh.
Looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night. No checking
It's not going so well.
What do you mean it's not going so well? It's perfect.
Yeah, but it's kind of
Well, that's what paint does. What is this? What did you have?
I got candy store.
Candy store?
Yup.
Well, is this the store part or the candy part?
Store.
Okay. Cool. What kind of cupcake is that, Brooklyn? Oh, it looks delicious. You gonna share? I bet you're not.